Ugh, what the hell, man? It's a new day. What's the clock? It's already like 3 p.m. I gotta go to my new job at like 4 p.m. That's a bad thing. I'm gonna go get ready. I want Ninja hoodie on for today's job, so I'm just gonna go to it. This place is nice, actually. I could work here. Now it's just, what should I make for food? I'll think of something. I know what I need. I need some flour. What about some flour? That sounds great. Put the flour in and turn it on. Oh, nice! I got some bread that I could use for cooking reasons. I know what to make. I should make French toast. That sounds so good. No, I'm gonna go get the rest of the ingredients. So I need sugar cubes. Okay, I'm gonna put the sugar cubes in and turn the oven on. And now to think of the last ingredient. I think it was eggs. I need this egg, don't die. Oh, I'm actually quite hungry. Time to go out and eat. Well, is this just all for my first shift? Hey, what's up? Hello, you. I want that one. Great food combination. These two, they're actually great combined. Okay, so that was good. Well, I ate the toast and now I'm gonna save this for later. Oh, the clock tick. It's free time. I'm gonna go home. Wait, what? It worked. It worked. Oh my gosh, I could go to bed now. Now when I think about it, where the hell did the potion go? What the?